Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation comes from. And after today's price movement, another nice day. Definitely updates here need to be made. So first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of this green line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So in terms of levels of support, the ideal level of support going forward is going to be the pink line right here, which is the 200 period simple moving average. I say ideal because if you were to say, Clay, what would be, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can now stay above that pink line going forward, that would be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Now, if the price does fall below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above there, that is certainly going to be, the ideal situation, the best case scenario. In the event the price can hold above it, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. And this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards as time unfolds, hence the word moving average. And simply put, the easiest way to measure the health of the move, what do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. So how can you measure the health of that price movement? Like I said, easy way to look at it. As long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? Really, two levels stand out. The first one is what I like to call the fun one, and the fun one of resistance is right up here at the previous highs at 475. I call it fun because, yeah, I'll be the first to admit it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking to new highs, and that's where this resistance here at 475 comes into play, because if the price can break through there, that's breaking to new highs. But in many situations, as is the case here, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be crossed. And this situation, that initial quote-unquote first bridge right here at $4.50, you can see several times this afternoon, bulls try to get up above there, but just couldn't quite do it. So yeah, 475 is resistance, but before you start talking about that one, first got to get through that $4.50 mark. All in all, though, nice way to close out the week. We'll see if this trend can continue itself next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.